When I was still working at a law firm, I was so busy every day that I would never even have time to eat, let alone think about how to stay fit and healthy. But it was around that time that I learned about the eating biohack that allowed my body to burn fat all day. And so this is what I want to teach you today. Particularly as parents, we have to juggle so many things in our lives, like our jobs, our kids, our time, our exercise. So it's very time efficient and convenient for my body to be burning fat all day with this method. So let's jump straight in. As I mentioned, my typical day would look like this. I would usually skip breakfast so I could catch up on sleep, and lunch might be quite rushed so I may not have a full meal, and only at dinner time could I hopefully have a proper sit down with a full meal. Well, a study from 2009 actually showed that when we take the majority of our food, and in particular our protein intake in one meal, it limits the time for effective metabolic burn. That's basically a fancy way of saying that our body only ends up moving into the fat burning zone for a brief 3 hour window around dinner time when we have a full meal. So instead, like me, if you switch to having 3 full meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner throughout the day, the study showed that actually your body would end up going to the fat burning zone for 9 hours or more because your body's metabolic burn is extended every time we have a full meal, and in particular spread out our protein intake. And voila, by having your body in the fat burning zone during the majority of your waking hours, your body is effectively burning fat all day. Now obviously when I say that eating full meals means eating the right healthy foods in balance, and in particular making sure we have sufficient protein rich food, which is so important because we want to build muscle, which is our body's way to increase metabolic burn. But the question of how to actually identify and eat the right foods is truly a topic of its own, and I'll be covering the topic in an upcoming video. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that upcoming video. For now, you can see the full meals that I'm eating every day. I really love to eat, and at 6'3", I do eat a lot. So this method not only helps my body burn fat for longer, I also don't feel hungry, and I can enjoy 3 regular meals with my family, which as a parent is very important to me because we need to eat with and supervise the kids, right? So hopefully that was something helpful to give you a little biohack that you can apply right now to start helping your body move into the fat burning zone for 3, 6, 9 and hopefully even more hours per day. If you're interested to learn about how I eat healthily, or the simple 3-step habit that I use to turn my big dad belly into a 6-pack and feel like 25 again, all without needing a lot of time each day, or needing to starve yourself, or needing to exercise like crazy, I'm running a free training this week. You can access it by going to bit.ly/stayyoung-YouTube. I'll put that link in the description so it's easy to click. As I always say, I believe that being a parent really doesn't mean we can't prioritize our health, our fitness and our looks. Indeed, our main priority in life should be to let our kids see the best version of us, because in the end, it starts with us. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.